Hello and welcome to the video. This is a very quick video just to announce the winner of the FXT HD DVR giveaway. Now this was something that we looked at again a couple of weeks ago because the initial testing that I did, there was a couple of things that worried me about it, but it looks like FXT have sorted it out. So what you had to do was to go and like, subscribe and leave a comment on that original video, and thank you to everybody that went ahead and did that. 1,973 views as I'm looking at it right now. And what I need to do is use the random comment picker to pick out from these particular comments. So let me just jump into the random comment picker, cut and paste the YouTube URL. Let's get all the comments, get rid of all the duplicate users, and then we'll click the random winner, and the winner is Martian McFly. Fantastic name. Martian McFly, congratulations. You look like you are already into radio control, so this looks like it will be going to a good home. Please pop me an email at lee@painless360.com and I'll get this out to the post to you. Commiserations to all of you that didn't win this time. Make sure you are subscribed and you have the bell notification icon selected on the channel, because there are going to be other giveaways hidden in the next couple of weeks. Thanks for watching the video and watching right to the very end. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you like the video and like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon too. If you really like what I'm doing, you can go the extra mile and become one of my Patreons for access to me directly for support, and also giveaways and regular updates too. If you're looking for particular content, then check out the playlist. I organize all of my videos into playlists, so if you're looking for a particular topic, you can find everything here. If it's called Introduction To, it's designed to start very simply and build on that simple introduction to teach you all about it. If it's called For Beginners, then that is really aimed at people who are brand new to that part of the hobby. You can also search on YouTube for anything that you're interested in using the search function at the top. So iNav Painless360 will find all of my videos and even the playlists around iNav. So thanks again for watching and happy flying.